You make decisions every single day, some small, some big, but have you ever made a decision and later thought, why did I do that? The truth is, most people don't have a decision-making problem. They have a decision-making process problem. And that's what we're going to fix today. I'm Jason, and welcome to my channel, where I focus on communication, leadership, and career skills. Today, we're talking about how to make better decisions so you can feel more confident, avoid mistakes, and get better results. The challenge is most people rely on a gut feeling alone, or they overthink everything and end up doing nothing. Better decision making is a skill, and once you learn it, everything gets easier. So let's break down the top 5 skills you need to make better decisions. Clarity is number 1. Most people rush into decisions without clearly understanding the problem. They solve the wrong thing. Example, at work, you think the issue is we need more staff, but the real problem might be poor processes or lack of communication. A better approach is to ask yourself, what's actually causing this? What's the real issue? Because if you get this wrong, everything that follows will be wrong as well. Number 2 is gathering the right information. Good decisions come from good information. But here's the mistake. People either don't gather enough information or they overload themselves with too much information. Example, you're deciding to take a new job offer. Instead of guessing, you look at salary, growth opportunities, work environment, long-term impact. But a better approach is to say to yourself, what is the relevant information here? Ask, what do I actually need to know to make this decision? Number 3, weighing options properly. Most people look at options but don't compare them properly. They go with what feels right in the moment. An example of this is you have 2 projects to choose from. One is easy and safe, but the other is challenging but has more growth. A better decision maker will weigh short-term versus long-term benefits, risks versus rewards. A simple method is to write down the pros and the cons and the possible outcomes. This will help you think clearly instead of emotionally. Number 4 is a big one. It's managing emotions. And I talk about emotional intelligence in other videos. Emotions can ruin good decisions. Stress, pressure, fear, they all affect how you think. An example to this is you respond to an email while frustrated and regret it later on. Or you avoid making a decision because you're worried about being wrong. A better approach is to pause before deciding and ask yourself, am I reacting or am I thinking? The best decisions are made when you're calm and clear, not emotional. Number 5 is taking action and learning from it. A lot of people don't struggle with decisions. They struggle with committing to them. They hesitate, they delay, and they second guess everything. An example is you spend weeks deciding, but you miss the opportunity completely. A better approach is make the best decision you can with the information you have, then take action. And most importantly, learn from the result. Because every decision, good or bad, is feedback. We're now at the action plan. I like to do this near the end of our videos. What I want you to do is slow down with your decision making. Don't rush. Give yourself time to think clearly. Define the real problem. Make sure you're solving the right thing. Focus on key information only and avoid overthinking or information overload. Write down your options, compare pros, cons, and possible outcomes. Pause before emotional decisions. If you feel pressure, step back. Make the decision and commit. Take action instead of overthinking. Then review the outcome. Ask what worked and what would I have done differently. If you follow this process consistently, your decisions will improve quickly. In conclusion, making better decisions isn't about being perfect. It's about having a clear process, thinking things through and learning as you go. If you can build this skill, you'll feel more confident, reduce stress, and make smarter choices in your career and your life. And if you want to go deeper into these skills, I'm giving away a free career skills course. Please see the link below and go to the section on the page that says request free info pack. In this section, in the phone number field, please add free YouTube course, and that way I can identify where this person came from and I can send you the login details. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.